Okay, hello everybody, this is Pickle Bunny 101 and I'm going to be doing sucking helium out of a balloon to make my voice squeaky. Okay, as you can see, I got a clamp on here and I cut it. And I'm going to start it. Oh wait, never mind, be right back.
Okay.
Don't hold the ink too long.
This should work.
Let's hear your voice be squeaky.
No, I still need to cut it farther.
Oh gosh.
This is my sister recording.
Just cut a corner. Cut a corner.
Ah, that would have been good. Okay, try again.
I really want to hear this.
Wait, a bit.
Oh gosh.
Cut the corner of it and suck it up.
We got 10 hours and 31 minutes on this.
Okay.
Can I try it?
This is funny. I don't want to try.
I want to try. I want to do it.
Not too much. Okay, you
How
try.
much?
Not too much. Okay, let's go. It's not that I pitch. Okay, more. Here. Okay. Okay, that's good. Okay, Ethan.
That's enough. I want to try more.
No, wait.
I want to try more.
Isn't this fun?
I want to try. I want to try. I want to try the rest. Can I try the rest? Can I try the rest, please?
Not the rest. Okay, you can try.
Her voice is too high pitched. It won't work on her.
Okay, that's the rest of Okay, that's it for this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.